Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm just going to go briefly through the process of swapping over the harnesses on my Caterham. So the reason I'm going to be doing this is I'm racing this year and the harnesses that came with the car have expired. They expired at the end of 2017, end of 2016. As you can see here, harnesses are valid for a certain length, typically 5 years. So these expired about a year or so ago. I've since acquired some more from Caterham. They've obviously put their main dealer tax onto it, so it was a little bit more expensive than I was anticipating, but I've got them now, we can fit them. Unfortunately, no one has actually made 2018 Caterham harnesses yet, so these are actually already 1 year into their 5-year homologation expiry time. So they are pretty much a direct swap. So they are 6-point as the ones that are currently in the car. They are solid fix, they're not snap hooks or quick release or anything like that. They're not looped. They're mounted in 6 points as the name and description would say. So you've got 2 here on the shoulders, you've got 2 lap straps, and you've got 2 crotch straps. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take the seat out, I'm going to get the old harnesses out, make sure that they compare like for like with the ones that I've just received, and we will go from there. I'll show you a few pictures, a few stills and a bit of video along the way. Something I like to do when I'm doing a job like this is when I remove parts, I actually like to lay them out as they came out. So this harness has just been removed from this hole, but I like to actually lay the bolts out as they should be. Again, like the orientation of this, just because the instructions that come with this aren't all that comprehensive. They're more a guide than a actual how-to for this specific car, so it's always good to see how the previous ones were removed to make sure that you can get it the same when you reinstall the new ones. So what I'll show you here is under the car you've got a number of bolts. So this one here, one here, one there, and one in the back corner. They are the seat bolts, and then the larger plates you can see here and here, they are the harness bolts, 2 of the harness bolts. So I've taken a couple out. I'm using a 13mm ratchet ring spanner. I've actually modified these bolts, which I'll show you in a moment, but I'm just going to remove the last 2 and we'll get the seat out. So the original harnesses are now just in the car ready to be taken out. The seat is also out. So something I like to do before I start a job like this is have a good look at all the parts that have arrived to make sure I've got everything. As you can see here, we've got 2 shoulder straps, 2 shoulder harnesses. I've got 2 lap belts here and here, the aero buckle. These particular ones are just a 90-degree turn either way from the centre. That will release all of the connectors from the harness, and also got here 2 crutch straps. Now these ones are sort of loop design, so they actually thread through here and utilise the shoulder strap buckles going through into the red aero buckle.